Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I picked up a new servo from SpeedTek RC. You can get these at speedtekrc.com. I'll leave a link down below. You can also get them at jjcustomsllc.com or in his store in San Jose. And I'll leave all the address and the links and to each one of those down there. Free shipping from SpeedTek RC. Also a 10% discount if you use the code KURTZRCs. Okay, so you get 10% off on all their stuff on their whole website. So, but this is a hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, I think so. This is a micro servo. Look at the torque. Is 67.09 ounces at 6 volts, and then 86.81, almost 87 ounces at 7.4. And then the seconds, that's pretty fast. 7 seconds, 6, 5 seconds at 7.4. It's a cool little servo, strong. I got it in my T-Rex 4. I'll show you guys once I get going. It comes with some horns, a couple screws to screw in the horns if you need to, or to screw these, you know, to screw the link into here. You got the horn screw for the servo. Let's pull this all the way out. And look at this bad boy. And the part number is SPV0223. So if you just want to go look it up real quick, you can just pop that number in and it pops right up. But the SpeedTek RC website is easy to navigate through, guys. It's really nice. It's a nice setup they got on it now. It's all metal gears. It is water resistant, so I wouldn't submerge it underwater and leave it underwater, but it's supposed to be water resistant. It's all steel gears. Ideal for most little applicants, like I have it in this SEX 24. All right. It works great in here. It's nice and quiet, strong, moves the whole car, and also it'd probably fit pretty good in the losi, the little minis. You can use them for your little servos for. Yeah, it'd fit right in there. It's the same size, just a tiny bit longer, but it's the same size servo. So you're nice and strong when you're dealing in a lot faster than the stock ones. So be perfect for that. What else would you guys use it for? Your gears, you know, when you have the 2-speed gears or the locking diffs, all that stuff. Be perfect for all that stuff. It's nice and small to fit in those. Cause yeah, on this one I put that in, but I had to use also the RC hop up motor mount plate, and it fit in there perfect. I didn't have to do anything to it. The only thing I did was I tapped a little hot glue right there to move the wire, and I didn't even need to do that. That was just for me, for my personal likings. It would have fit without that. So but yeah, guys, so just put the button in that back up. So it's a cool little servo, guys. It works great. Like I said, he's got the little water resistant on there. He is on SpeedTek RC. Go follow him on Instagram. Facebook. So coming out with some nice servos, guys, so go check them out. I'm gonna probably put this one in my other SEX 24 that I'm gonna do a build with, and put it in there. So all right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Go check out SpeedTek RC, and thanks.